Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this video, we're going to be looking at this new Kasa Smart light bulb. They have had a few different generations. This is the latest one that they came out with. It's the multicolor edition. They have just I think just a white light edition that can go from anywhere from cool to the warm white light. And it costs a little bit less. I think they're pretty affordable. I think it was somewhere around the $40 range, if I remember correctly. But the thing that I like about it is, again, it just ties right in to the Kasa home application. So, not only can you have outlets on there and all different kinds of outlets, you can have smart power strips, you can have light switches, and you can also have light bulbs. So, you don't have to worry about having tons of applications to do multiple things. I have to say, I really enjoy the LifeX light bulbs, but I had to pick one of these up to be fair with comparison because I have so many different TPlink Kasa products that I just wanted to have access and be able to use one of these here. So it is a 60-watt equivalent compared to the older LifeX bulbs are actually 75 watts. So you could get significant amount of brightness out of the LifeX that would actually be noticeably different compared to these. But when you compare this to like the LifeX minis, it's going to be a lot closer comparison to the luminosity that it's able to output. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what it looks like. If you guys are interested, I'll have a link in the description to this item on Amazon. You can go check it out for yourself if you want to. If you guys would like a setup video for it, let me know, and I may do a setup video for it and show you how to add it to the Kasa application, maybe how to get it to talk to home control systems such as an Amazon Echo or anything like that. But I have to say that I had to be fair because I have LifeX bulbs. I've always liked LifeX bulbs, but the more things that you can have in one ecosystem means less applications and less things that you have to try and line up and match and make sure that it works correctly. So I did want to give this a shot. So I have to say it's pretty hefty, which isn't a bad thing. It makes you feel like it's actually fairly high quality. Has a metal housing here, probably to help dissipate some heat. It probably does get warm, over long periods of times with of usage. It says do not use with standard dimmers. They need full power all the time, and to be able to control a smart bulb, it has to be on 24/7. So as far as power to the unit. So the light itself does not have to be on, but you have to control it with other means other than the actual pull string on a lamp or twist knob, whatever you might have, light switch. You actually don't cut power to this unit because then you're unable to activate the LED light itself inside there. So that's the reason that you have to give it constant power and you can't use another dimmer. As far, like I said, it's pretty hefty. And when you compare it to a LifeX bulb, it's a little bit smaller than the 75 watt. It's a lot closer to their mini size. And I can't remember off the top of my head how many watts the mini size was, but it may have only been 45 to 60 watts. So a little dimmer than this one or the same brightness. But they're also available in multicolors and are still somewhere around the $40 range also. But again, both of these, this one being sub 40 and the LifeX being somewhere around 40, both of them are very nice bulbs. I do have the LifeX lights because of some of the different options that they have as far as the LED light strips and things like that. So they tend to work really well. But I've got to be fair to this. I'm going to give this a chance and set it up and kind of see how it compares to the other ones. Because, for somebody that may want a simplistic system, it would be nice to say TP-Link is a really good way to go, but without being able to test as close to their full line of products as I can, that's kind of hard to do. I would still recommend LifeX lights as of right now. That may change after I use this for a little while, so I'll try to do a setup video for this. show you how it operates, how it integrates, and we'll see how it kind of responds to different home control systems trying to control it. But I think that if it's anything like the rest of TP-Link's products, it's gonna work. It's gonna work really great. If you like content like this, please hit the like on this video. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, and do check the description for useful links and even links to this product here on Amazon. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.